Have you ever wondered why it's crucial to regularly change the air filter in your car? Well, today we're diving into the importance of regular air filter maintenance. You see, the air filter is like the lungs of your car. It breathes in air, which is necessary for the combustion process inside the engine, and just like our lungs, it needs to be cleaned out regularly. Typically, it's recommended to change the air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year. But this can vary depending on your vehicle's make and model, and the conditions in which you drive. Neglecting this crucial component can lead to a variety of problems. A dirty air filter can reduce airflow to the engine, decreasing vehicle performance. It can cause inefficient fuel combustion, reducing energy efficiency, and increasing emissions. Moreover, a clogged filter can damage the engine management system over time. So, let's delve deeper into the problems caused by a dirty air filter. Now, what exactly happens when you don't change your car's air filter regularly? Let's break it down. Firstly, a dirty air filter can reduce the flow of air to your engine. This lack of air can have a noticeable effect on your car's performance, causing it to feel sluggish or unresponsive. Secondly, a clogged filter can lead to inefficient fuel combustion. This happens because the lack of clean air means the fuel can't burn properly, resulting in a loss of fuel efficiency and an increase in emissions. Lastly, there's the potential for long-term damage to your engine management system. This system relies on a mix of air and fuel to function correctly. A clogged filter can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to costly repairs down the line. As you can see, a dirty air filter can cause a domino effect of issues in your car. So, how can regular air filter maintenance save you from these problems? Well, let's take a moment to recap. Regular air filter changes are a simple yet crucial aspect of car maintenance. By keeping your air filter clean, you're ensuring that your engine receives a steady, unimpeded flow of air. This promotes optimal combustion, allowing your car to maintain its performance and efficiency. Now you might be wondering, how often should I replace my air filter? The answer lies in your car manufacturer's recommendations. These guidelines are specifically designed to keep your car in top shape, so it's best to follow them. Regular air filter replacements based on these recommendations not only prevent engine damage but also safeguard your car's fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Remember, changing your air filter regularly is a small act that can have a big impact on your car's health. Don't neglect it.